Introducing the GTools GTX Pro Series, a heavy-duty rolling workshop system built for industrial environments, serious workshops and car enthusiasts who demand strength, storage and long-term durability. Standing 2 meters tall, the GTX Pro maximizes vertical storage while creating a complete professional workshop system. Mortise-and-tenon joints interlocking the cabinet components to create a strong, rigid structure designed for demanding workshop use. Riveted construction reinforces the cabinet framework, improving structural strength and long-term durability. Galvanized steel components and stainless steel surfaces provide enhanced protection against corrosion, wear and demanding garage conditions. The full extension mega drawer provides generous storage for larger tools and equipment, supported by double ball bearing sliders for smooth movement and complete front to back access. Double layered doors strengthen both the overhead cabinets and matching tool cabinets, with magnetic catches providing a secure, reliable close. Positioning the pegboards behind the workbench creates an additional 35mm, providing a total 485mm usable bench depth, without increasing the system's overall footprint. Integrated Australian power points and USB ports keep chargers, lighting, tools and devices powered directly from your workstation. With a workbench load capacity of up to 800 kilograms, the GTX Pro is engineered for heavier tools, components and serious workshop jobs. Expand your system with matching island workbenches, single door and double door tool cabinets, providing additional full height storage in a consistent integrated design. Available in black stainless steel or stainless steel, the GTX Pro can be configured to complement your workshop, garage or interior design. The GTools GTX Pro Series, tough, durable and built for serious work.